Hey sneaker fan, welcome back to HighFoot Review. Today we are unboxing and review the
AC Milan Home Jersey.
a must-have for any true football supporter. But before we dive in, a quick shout out to our official sponsor, kitsock.com. They are your go-to online destination for top quality jerseys and premium replicas at affordable prices, from soccer jerseys and tracksuit to retro sport wears. Kitsock has it all. You find fan favorite design and latest trend, timeless classic, all craft with premium quality and affordable prices. All the detail including the website link and WhatsApp contact are available in the description below. Don't miss out on grabbing your favorite kit today. Alright, let's jump into unboxing with some great music.